I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with a payment decline on Uber's web platform, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update your payment information. If your card has expired or you need to switch to a different payment method, go to the Payments settings and update your information. Make sure to save the changes before proceeding. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, a full cache can cause issues with transactions. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser before trying again. Step 4. Check for service outages. Visit Uber's official support page or social media channels to see if there are any known service outages affecting payments. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until it's resolved. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Uber support for further assistance. They can provide specific details about the decline and help you resolve it. I hope these steps help you get your payment issues sorted out quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.